This is the door of 5, just knock here. And with the front hand, you just knock on your abdomen, like this. Again, the pace doesn't matter. You can do it fast, you can slow down when you want. It doesn't matter. Just do it like this. Okay.
Your eyes focused on my fingers. Keep your eyes focused on my fingers. Follow, 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 follow. Arm is loosened. Sleep, 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 sleep. Drifting, floating, dreaming, comfortable, relaxed, at peace. Each breath takes you deeper. Each word takes you deeper. Each time I lift and drop your arms, sleep, you go deeper. Each time I lift and drop your arms, sleep, you go deeper. The eyes are heavy, 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 relaxing, breathing, drifting, flowing. The muscles, the neck and shoulders relaxing. Your body only moves in ways that are comfortable and appropriate for you. You're centered in the chair. Each time I lift and drop your arm, you go deeper. Sleep, 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 sleep. The eyelids are real, real, real heavy. In fact, you could try to open them and find you can't, and you go deeper. And you just go deeper, deeper, deeper inside. The arms very, very heavy. In fact, you could try to move the arms, but you find you can't, and you just go deeper. Now, as you are relaxing, going even deeper into hypnosis, I'm going to take your arm, and this time when I take your arm is going to become stiff, rigid, locked into place, a steel beam and iron bar. The arm is stiff, rigid, locked into place. The deeper you go, the stiffer the arm, the stiffer the arm, the deeper you go. The deeper you go, the better you feel. The arm is stiff, rigid, locked into place. It simply will not move. In fact, if you try to move the arm now and you find that you can't. Arm is stiff, rigid, locked into place. In just a moment, you're a strong, confident man, and you can feel that sense of confidence. You can feel that sense of healing in your body. And I don't know exactly what you'd like to be better in your psyche and your body, but you can create that healing and just feel it, that strength. The arm is stiff, rigid, locked into place. It simply will not move. In fact, you can try to move it and you can, and you feel that internal sense of self-worth, that internal sense of strength, that internal sense of healing in your body. In just a moment, I'm going to tap your arm. As I tap your arm, the arm is going to go loosen up and collapse, and you'll go 10, 20, 1,000 times deeper into an hypnotic state. Sleep and go deeper, and the arm is loosened up, relax, and you feel really, really good. Each time I take you to sleep, you go deeper. Each time I lift and drop your arm, you go deeper. Coming back into the room, eyes wide open, wide awake, feeling really good with your fingers. How was that? Interesting. All right. Tell me a little bit more. How do you feel?
Definitely feel a bit flush after that.
Did you enjoy the process?
Yeah, no, it was very cool. I like all the kind of that extra action.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Perfect. Are there things you would like to ask me or tell me?
So I've got 3 intentions from the talk today. It was actually a thought experiment, and what I consider a 4-dimensional thought experiment. So what we're going to do is we're going to recreate Einstein's... That's it. Breathing in that relaxation, breathing out tension. And the deeper you breathe, the more relaxed you become. The more relaxed you become, the deeper you breathe. And as your body relaxes, your imagination awakens.
Walk through the steps in doing these killer demonstrations. Okay? And by the way, anybody who emails me asking for a copy of how to find the best volunteers, I'll also send you a recap of what we did here. Okay? All right, let's see, how do we want to do this? I would you come up, please? Thank you. Lily has this shoulder problems, you have this is fine, right? Sing, deeper, all the way down, good. And you, sing, deeper, all the way down, good. You're doing great. Listen to my voice. And look up here. Sing, deeper, all the way down, good. You're doing great. And look at you, and just deeper, all the way down, good. You're doing great. And sit in perfect balance, that's right. Deeper, 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 relaxed. And the deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you go. Good, you're doing great. 10, 9, 8, drifting down, 7, 6, 5, relaxing more and more, 4, 3, 2, 1, deeper, 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 relax. Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Big hand. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now, for my volunteers on stage, in a moment, I'm going to have you open your eyes, and you'll look over to your left, and you'll see me standing here, and I'm going to point to you, and I'm going to say, sleep. And when I do, your eyes close down, your head drops forward, you go into a pleasant, deep, hypnotic slumber. It feels wonderful. If you understand that, nod your head. Good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes open. Everybody look at me, and sleep. Sleep, sleep. Deeper, 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 all the way down. Good. You're doing great. Each time I point to you and say sleep, you go deeper. Each time I point to you and say sleep, it feels better. Okay, people on stage, 1, 2, 3, eyes open, look at me. And sleep, 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 sleep. Deeper, deeper, all the way down. Good. You want to condition this in one more time, right? So in a moment, I'll have you open your eyes. Every time I point to you and say sleep, you go deeper. Every time it feels better. Okay, people on stage, 1, 2, 3, eyes open, look at me. And sleep, 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 sleep. Deeper, deeper, all the way down. Good, you're doing great. Now, you take this up a notch, all right? So, people on stage, you've probably seen the movies, and the hypnotist in the movies, it was always in his eyes. Like, anybody see the movie Svengali? Yeah, he had these eyes, this hypnotic stare. And they said the power of the hypnotist is in the stare. Well, I've been working on my hypnotic gaze, and it's getting really strong. It is getting really strong. And so just for today, and just in this room, and only when I do it, I don't want you guys messing with them, and only when I do it, when I look at you with my hypnotic stare, it's as if I pointed you and said, sleep. If you understand that, nod your head. Good. But here's the deal. Here's the deal. In the Western world, there's something known as polite eye contact. Your parents probably told you this. They probably said, when an adult's talking to you, don't stare at your shoes, look them in the eye. It's only polite, right? So polite eye contact, because you're a hypnotist, you would know the difference between polite eye contact and hypnotic stare. But when it goes to the hypnotic stare, it's as if I pointed to you and said sleep. If you understand, nod your head. Good. Okay. All right, people on stage, 1, 2, 3, eyes open. And I want to thank you guys for coming up, because you've really been good. It's really good. And where are you from? Where are you from? Deeper, 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 relax, good. And the deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you go. Good, you're doing great. Now we want to condition this in to make sure it works, because remember, it's the world's most powerful hypnotist trick, right? So people on stage, every time I stare at you, my hypnotic stare gets stronger. It puts you deeper into hypnosis. Okay, everybody do 1, 2, 3, eyes open. And that's right, you're doing well. Yeah. And so, like I say, polite eye contact is one thing, it's different, but then that hypnotic stare is something very different. Yeah, deeper. Deeper, 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 relax, good. And the deeper you go, the better you feel, and the better you feel, the deeper you go. Man, I tell you. Okay, so we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna do it 3 times the other way, 3 times this time. I'm gonna show you exactly why, all right? People on stage, for the rest of the day, whenever I look at you, for the rest of this hour, whenever I look at you with my hypnotic stare, you're gonna go deep into hypnosis, each time going deeper, each time feeling better. Okay, 1, 2, 3, eyes open. And in a moment, I'm gonna let you guys, take your seat in the audience. But for right now, I mean, I just want to tell you, you've been really good. Deeper, 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 relax. Good. Okay, so we've done it 3 times, right? So in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. When I reach number 5, the people on stage, their eyes will open and they'll feel wonderful, and they will carefully walk down these steps and take their seats in the audience. But my hypnotic stare has gotten even stronger. All right. So people on stage, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open. You feel good. Stretch. Feel good, don't you? Don't you feel good? Please give them a big round of applause. Walk carefully to your seat, and I'm counting on the people sitting next to them to watch them very carefully. Yeah, thank you for coming. Don't she's looking like this. So let's say I gave this talk at the ladies' gym, right? I gave this talk at the ladies' gym, and I say, I want to thank Mary for inviting me to give the talk to you today. Mary, thank you very much. I really enjoyed myself. It's such a wonderful place you have here. And I wanted to tell you that when you all have my brochures, and I wanted to remind you that anyone that signs up for a hypnosis session will get 20% or whatever off their first session. And to show you one more fast induction. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Deeper, deeper. Where's my other one? Deeper, deeper. Good. You sleep. Deeper, deeper, relax. Good. And then I say, thank you all for inviting me. And the crowd goes, wow, great. Okay, all right.
Away at 4 o'clock. Next year I hope to be here with my wife and my daughter. I love this place. Never ever do I act like this. God bless you all, and God bless Ireland. I've had an amazing time in this few hours. I want to watch the show. And he said, no, come on stage. It'll be grand.
If you hypnotized Howie Mandel, those of you who are on YouTube now, you'll see the only hypnotist who appeared in America's Got Talent to hypnotize Howie Mandel, to shake his hand, because Howie is a germaphobe, and this man is legendary in America. So, ladies and gents, without further ado, a round of applause for Mr. Chris Jones. I'm Mr. Jason Callahan. Are you ready to be hypnotized? Hip, hip! Let's do it, Chris. Everybody in the room, and Sean, we're going to use your techniques. Everybody in the room wants to be hypnotized. Put your hands in front of you. Let's do this. Hip, hip. Come on. Turn your left palm like this. Turn your right thumb like this. We are looking for only good-looking people. Isn't that right, Chris? That's right. We're only looking for good-looking, intelligent people. If you're not good-looking or intelligent, don't stand up. We want good-looking, intelligent people. Put your hands like this. Close your eyes in your left hand only. I would like all the clever people to visualize the heaviest object you can imagine. Me and Chris will decide who are the cleverest people in the room. Because if you visualize in your left hand the heaviest object you can imagine, with your eyes closed, the heaviest eyes will get heavier. Your left hand will become 10 times heavier, 20 times heavier, 30 times heavier. Those of you taking it seriously will now notice your hand getting tired. Left getting heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier. Then once you're finished with your left hand going down, move your attention to your right thumb. And on your right thumb put a string going to a hot air balloon. Rising and lifting, lifting and rising. Higher and higher and higher. Into the sky. As you do that, those of you following my instructions are the cleverest people in the room. Those of you following my instructions will now notice your eyes will begin to lock. In fact, you will visualize a window or a hole in the top of your head right now. The second you listen to the voice of the hypnotist, your eyes will start to lock. Look through that hole in the top of your head. Your eyes are stuck. Your eyes will not open. You are getting heavier and heavier, and your eyes are stuck like glue. In a moment, when we count to 3, you will realize that your eyes are stuck. 1, stuck like glue. 2, look up through that hole in the top of your head. 3, they will not open. If you are still standing and your eyes are stuck like glue, stay standing and we will release you. If you are unable to follow our instructions, do not worry. We are going to allow those people with their thumbs in the air and their eyes locked to come up to the stage area if possible. Chris, go and guide these people up. Alexi, grab these people up. These ladies here, we have 4 or 5 people. We already have 1 lady down. Chris, those 3 ladies there, the lady at the back, your eyes will keep getting locked. Chris Jones will come and find you. He will bring you to the front of the stage. If anyone else would like to join us,